Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need both devices ready, phone unlocked and TV on the correct input. Start by ensuring both use the same Wi-Fi network. This lets them discover each other. On the TV, enable its screencasting or mirrorcast mode. On many smart TVs, that's in network or display settings. Then, pull down Quick Settings or Open Connected Devices on your phone and choose the screen share or cast icon to begin discovery. This is the first actionable step to make the phone visible to the TV. Once the phone shows available devices, tap your TV's name to initiate the connection. This tells the phone to stream the display. If the TV displays a pairing prompt, accept it. Sometimes it shows a PIN you must type into the phone, do so promptly. After connecting, check video orientation and sound, rotate to landscape for full screen video, and adjust volume on both devices. If latency appears, move closer to the router, or switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi to improve stability and reduce lag. To finish, stop casting from the phone's cast control or use the TV's input menu to disconnect. This ends the session cleanly. If you cannot find the TV or the connection fails, restart the phone, TV, and router. Once done, re-attempt discovery because a reboot clears temporary network or device issues. If wireless remains unreliable, use an HDMI adapter or cable from the phone to the TV. That bypasses Wi-Fi and provides consistent video and audio with minimal latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.